This Barnfind is a Vespa 50N that was originally delivered in Germany. What should be done with it? Should it be integrated into the Barnfind section of a museum? Or should the scooter be cleaned and restored to working order? Share your thoughts in the comments. Time has not passed without leaving its mark on this Vespa. The paint is covered with surface rust, and in some areas, rust protection has been applied as a precaution. Additionally, the scooter is heavily soiled, but the original paint underneath is intact and can be restored. The rear tire is missing, and several parts of the engine are also absent. However, the key for the steering lock is still present, and the original speedometer and carburetor are included as well. Please share your opinion. Like the scooter is off to the museum? Or a full restoration with preservation of the original paint? Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.